How did sugar and bacteria cause this? After sucrose and the S. mutans bacteria combine to make cavity-causing plaque, the rate of disease progression is driven by the frequency of eating and/or drinking fermentable carbohydrates. Fermentable carbohydrates cause the pathogenic or cavity-causing plaque to become very acidic and the tooth structure to lose minerals or demineralize. Demineralization lasts at least 30 to 60 minutes until our plaque becomes less acidic. Then our teeth can remineralize, but that is a long, slow process. Contact with fermentable carbohydrates causes about 1 hour of demineralization, which should be balanced with about 4 hours of remineralization. Here are 2 keys. First, to prevent cavities, we must have at least as much remineralization as demineralization. Second, because demineralization is fast and remineralization is slow, it is important to limit the frequency of carbohydrate consumption. How do I keep my teeth looking like this and not like this? In this picture, the red line is the critical pH at which our teeth can demineralize. The green line is the pH at the plaque-tooth interface, and the yellow line is the percentage of demineralization or tooth loss. The red and green lines explain the yellow line and why mineral loss may occur. Let's focus on the yellow line to understand tooth demineralization and remineralization. At breakfast, the pH drops and demineralization occurs for an hour. Then, remineralization occurs until lunch. At lunch, the pH drops and demineralization occurs. Remineralization resumes about an hour later and continues until dinner. At dinner, the pH once again drops and demineralization takes over. Lastly, remineralization continues and has enough time to completely recover. Here are 2 keys. First, the frequency of carbohydrates is more of a concern for cavities than quantity. Second, it is better to have a sugary drink with a meal than between meals. How do I avoid cavities? The yellow line in this example simulates mineral loss for a day with 6 total contacts with carbohydrates. This could be any carbohydrate, including seemingly healthy snacks such as fruit, juice, or sugary sports drinks. Notice how the frequent contact with carbohydrates prevents complete remineralization and results in a net loss of tooth structure. Continued demineralization due to frequently eating or drinking fermentable carbohydrates day after day, week after week, or year after year leads to mineral loss and caries progression. Here are 2 keys. First, limit the frequency of snacking or grazing. Second, drink water or other sugar-free drinks between meals.